Welcome to another box break here on Dynasty Central Sports. And last time I ripped this product, I had a really fun box. I really enjoyed this product. I've been watching more breaks on YouTube, and I am just enjoying other people's breaks. So I had to get another box, a 22-23 OPC Hobby. It's been a really fun year. I love the foil inserts, and it's just been, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. So let's start ripping into this box, and we're just gonna motor through most of the base in here, and I'll check the blank backs a little bit later and let you know in editing if I get anything cool. Let's get ripped. Here we go, 18 packs, 10 cards per pack. Like I said, going through the base a little quicker and see what we get. 22-23 OPC Hobby. Lindgren, Trouba, Colton, Carter, Braden Schneider, marquee rookie. O-pee-chee premiere of Alex Ovechkin. Retro, Drew Doughty. Yarncroak, Rantanen, and Dubois. Donskoy, Varlamov, Isamot, marquee rookie. Blue border of Mike Matheson.
Matheson.
Retro of Cale Makar All-Star. Philip Tomasino, Dahlin, Saros, Cole Caulfield, and Alex Ovechkin. Ryan Graves, Willie X, Bjork, Troy Terry All-Star. Playing card of Brent Burns. That's pretty cool. 5 of spades. Giannis Moser, JJ Moser Retro. Comtois, Zucker, Brent Burns, and Peyton Krebs. I won't be sleeving up any of the cards unless they're big hits. Big hits. Yamamoto, JJ Moser, Morgan Geeky. Chase Pearson, marquee rookie. Black retro of Erik Karlsson out of 100. That's number 85 out of 100. I'm going to give that one a sleeve and a top loader. Ryan McDonough on Nashville, retro. Alexiak Nyquist, Jared Spurgeon, and Seth Jones. Krause, Robinson, Cale Makar All-Star. Blue border, Nils Höglander. Alexiak Retro, Ladd. I didn't even know he played anymore. Bergeron, Wheeler, Lundy for the PC, and Vasilevsky.
Base.
Rasmus Anderson, Samsonov, Osterley, Foligno, Jordan Spence, marquee rookie. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, o-pee-chee premiere. We got retro Willie Nylander, Mangiapane, Teravainen, and Quentin Byfield. All right, we got checklist. Hell yeah. JVR, Hunter Drew, marquee rookie. We got playing card of Kyle Connor.
Hey, Candy Cane.
Jamie Drysdale retro. Shea, Hedel, Jamie Benn, TJ Brody, and Alexis Lafreniere.
420.
Get as high as possible.
Jake Evans, Logan O'Connor, Zach Whitecloud, Patrice Bergeron All-Star. Blue border, Erik Karlsson, just swamped in Erik Karlsson. We got Jordan Spence, marquee rookie retro, regular. Jacob Peterson, Braden Point, Pavelski, and Mike Hoffman. Esplin, we got Mike Riley, Letang, Braden Tracy, marquee rookie. We got rookie bounty.
Fuck my life.
Card, rookie bounty card. You gotta get all of them, so fuck that. Nazem Kadri, our o-pee-chee premiere. Morgan Geeky retro. We got Demoulin, Schmaltz, and Grubauer. Hitting a rookie bounty Kind of sucks balls, actually. I don't really care about that. But if you're out there doing the rookie bounty, let me know down in the comments. Sanheim, Kurashev, All-Star Nazem Kadri, Pink.
Mr. Pink.
Why am I Mr. Pink?
Border of Matthew Barzal. It's numbered out of 75, 36 out of 75. Josh Morrissey Retro. We got Lehkonen, Pionk, Morgan Riley, Suzuki, and Cale Makar. Braden Chen, Edmondson, Marquee Rookie, Owen Power. That's pretty cool. See that one. Blue border Matt Zuccarello. We got black Matt Grizzlick Retro. 19 out of 100. 19 out of 100.
That's pretty cool.
Gustav Nyquist Retro. Goudreau, Backstrom, Marchand, and Tavares. Bed sheets. We got Entwistle, Jaden Schwartz, Mahura, Salo. We got Marquee Rookie of Samuel Fogimo. And I dropped a playing card of Brady Chucker. We got retro of Jared McCann, Marcus Pedersen, Tage, Tiny Thompson, and Austin Matthews. All right, let's rip a bowl and then go into this last stack of this box of 22-23 O-pee-chee Hobby. So far, it's a little underwhelming. We've only really hit 2 black retro out of 100, which is still pretty cool. Grizzlick and Eric Carlson, but then nothing else so far. So maybe we'll hit a o-pee-chee Platinum preview. That'd be pretty nice. Let's rip a bowl. Mayfield, Carrier, Suzuki All-Star, o-pee-chee Premier of Jordan Eberle, Retro of Connor Garland, Artem Zub, Kakaniemi, Honors Lee, Clapton Jeeks, haven't done that in a while, and Jack Hughes, Dylan DeMello, Casey Cizikas, TVR, Marquee Rookie of Dylan Sandberg, Blue Border All-Star of Claude Giroux. We got a retro Marquee Rookie of Hunter Drew, Fabry, Horvat, Gostisbehere, and Peugeot. Nate Schmidt, Caleb Jones, Gustav Forsling. We got All-Star of Marchessault, Red Border All-Star of Andre Vasilevsky, Eric Robinson, Retro, Casey Middlestad, Sean Corrali, Jonathan Tays, and Alex Newhook.
It's terrible. It just sounds like crap.
Fabro. We got Brendan Dillon, Matt Boldy, Marquee Rookie. There we go. Black Rainbow Foil. We got Jamie Drysdale, Drew Doughty, Samuel Girard, Yanni Gord, Andrew Kopp, retro of Ty Smith. Let's see who we got in the black rainbow, and I believe these are out of 100.
That is correct.
Let's see who we get behind the Matt Boldy Marquee Rookie. Marquee Rookie, that's nice to see. 65. Oh, Zach Dean?
Nope.
Zach Hayes, that's it. Zach Hayes, 17 out of 100. Zach Hayes, Black Rainbow, out of the Vegas Golden Knights. No! It really looks cool. As much as I don't like the Golden Knights. Out of 100, 17. Pretty cool looking card. For a player I don't really care about, but still cool. Soderstrom. Jake Flicking the Bean. Sam Steele, Nils Lundqvist, David Jiricek, marquee rookie, Cam Talbot, blue border, Andrew Ladd, retro, Jonathan Drouin, Barabanov, and Connor Garland. Cole Sillinger, Connor Murphy, Jordan Kyrou All-Star, and playing card of Horseface Fuck. Retro of Sonny Milano, Bennington, Sheary, Nugent Hopkins. We got Barkov and Chandler Stevenson. Well, that was a box. 22-23 o-pee-chee hockey.
Well, that was a load of shit.
Alright, not gonna go over this big stack of cards because they're all retros and, you know, marquee rookies and whatnot that just didn't make the cut. Sorry guys, not good enough to get a little bit more FaceTime. And then let's go over the sleeved up and playing cards. We got playing card of Mr. Ed, marquee rookie Jiricek. We got red border of Vasilevsky All-Star, marquee rookie of Foggymo. We got playing card of Brady Chucker, marquee rookie of Owen Power. Black border Grizzly out of 100. That's 19 out of 100. Neon pink Matthew Barzal. That's 36 out of 75. Marquee rookie of Jordan Spence retro. Playing cards 8 of spades Kyle Connor and 5 of spades Brent Burns.
Shoebox got nothing on you.
I like that. I do.
And the big hits of this box, which is not much, not compared to the last box, was definitely lower. We got a Zach Hayes, 17 out of 100, black rainbow foil. Black retro out of 100, Eric Carlson. That's 85 out of 100. And a marquee rookie base of Matt Boldy. So what did you think of this box of o-pee-chee? I thought it was sucks nothing one compared to the last one, but it was still fun rip. I do like o-pee-chee. Wasn't great. Did we hit and did we get awesome stuff? Not great, but we did have some cool stuff. Thank you for watching. Smash like down below, hit subscribe, and throw me a comment. Love to hear from you, and thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you later.